This is how you can change your name on Facebook. If your Facebook is connected to your Instagram, it will affect Instagram automatically. On your Facebook profile, click on the 3 lines at the top right hand corner here. Click on Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. Next is your personal information. Update your name and contact information connected to your Facebook account. If any other account is connected to this Facebook account, the name will automatically change. Select Name. Your name will be updated on Instagram and Facebook. This is because my Instagram and Facebook are connected. So if you want to change your first name, you change it here. This is for your middle name. Here is for your last name. Please note, if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. You can also add a nickname or a birth name. You can change your name, first, middle, and last name. You can also add a nickname or a birth name. You can select here and add your nickname or your birth name. This will show at the top of your profile. Other names are always public and help people find you on Facebook. Whichever one you select, maybe this, make sure you save your nickname. Ensure you save it here. Once you are done, click Review Change so that these changes will be effected. If you are changing your name on Facebook and your Facebook is connected to your Instagram, know that the both of them will be updated. Thanks for watching, guys. This is how you can change your name on Facebook. I will see you in my next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.